Hello everyone, I'm Ian, Product Manager of Advantech Smart I/O Product Division. I got some news for you. I want to introduce the upcoming WISE-750 Starter Kit Introduction course. In this course, we'll be talking about our new WISE-750 product package, the WISE-750 PHM Starter Kit. The Starter Kit helps our customers to quickly start testing prognostics and health management, the PHM applications. The course will cover how this package can help you get up and running quickly. We warmly invite you to take this course, and we look forward to seeing you at IoT Academy. Thank you.